17th of November 2023. We're on 85 south. Over there to the left is 85 north. It looks like they're trying to get backed up on 316 heading out. And of course that has all of 85 backed up north. Or we may still be further out than 316. It may be some other kind of problem. Could be out to Georgia 20. But anyway, we're uploading. We've already uploaded. We've got to finish describing that first video. But we're going to get off up here and go through Norcross and be looking at vehicles and see what we run across. I don't think it'll delay us too much unless we find a bunch of stuff we want to stop and look at. But we'll go down Buford Highway to 285 and then go on across that way. So this will get it. Well, I guess I'll leave it running while we got all this traffic. Let y'all see all that traffic over there. For whatever reason. Be thankful we're not in it, huh? I usually get my assistant up, and whether I follow her directions or not, I give her my end destination and let her give me directions, and that way she'll always show me where the caution, where the red stuff is, you know, if there's a delay, if there's wrecks, if there's speed traps, whatever, and that way I can decide which way I want to go. But today I haven't cranked her up. She may be sleeping late today. Don't know what she's doing today. We'll find out for too long though. Boy, it's still backed up over there. And again, look at all the trucks. What would we do without these trucks? All the diesel. There's no way that you can manufacture enough or generate enough electricity for all of this. More diesel is sold than gasoline. And so many of the pickup trucks now are diesel. Slowed up, so let's turn it off. We'll probably cut it back on. I don't know if we're going to get off at Beaver Ruin and Jimmy Carter. If we get off at Jimmy Carter, we're going to stop in Vision Computers and check on a computer from Vicky. She wants another computer, and she needs a big screen. She can't hardly use her laptop very good because the screen's so small. And I've offered to help her get a bigger screen to go in combination with her laptop and maybe a keypad, but I don't know if that's going to work for her. She's got a desktop at her house in Rome, a house in Marietta. I think she wants a desktop, so we're going to see if we can't find her a desktop where she can see that screen good and do what she wants to do. So right now we're going to turn this off, and we'll be turning it back on here shortly. I'm going to go ahead and put the description on that other video and turn it on where y'all can see it. Okay, we're getting off at Beaver Ruin. Traffic is slowing down already. People are honking at each other, and there's a blue light special up there. So, we're going to get out of the craziness before we get too deep into it. Let these crazies have a I-85 south. I don't need it. I know how to get across town without I-85 or 285. I gotta put back shocks on here. I've got them brand new. I just hadn't put them on. That'd be another video. I guess we need to do it when we get back over Frank's next week or week after next. We may be gone almost 2 weeks with Thanksgiving. And like I said, we are looking for several different vehicles. Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, Blazer, Bronco, motorhome, enclosed utility trailer. What else? Several different things that we would be interested in if we run across them. at a good price. You know, we're not going to pay too much for one. I missed that 99 GMC van trying to get it too cheap. Boy, I could have used all kind of parts off of that for this van here. But I messed up and tried to get it too cheap and lost it. I got a cigarette out the window. Okay, we're going to be going into Norcross and turning left on Buford Highway, go down Buford Highway, and if 285 isn't messed up, we'll get back on 285 and go across that way. But right now, let's turn it off until we start getting into Norcross and start seeing the used car lots. And I know we're not going to be able to deal with a used car lot, but a lot of times you'll see the for sale by owners out there next to them too. So let's turn it off till we get a little bit closer to Norcross. Comb that hair, girl. Make yourself pretty for somebody. Okay, we won't be going into downtown. If we wanted to go downtown, we'd have gone straight right there. Either we could come up here and turn right. We're just going to go down Buford Highway. And all the cars over there, slew of them over there. Trucks, Blazers, or not Blazers, but the long Tahoes or whatever they are, the extended ones. Let's see what we have over down here. There's a bunch of car lots all up and down here. All the way down to 285. But like I said, we're looking for sale by owners. We can't deal with car lots. Now, it's a little unusual. Gas is cheaper down here than it is out there. $2.69, $2.74 credit, $2.69 cash. Stuff. I know there's another one here on the right. Don't see any for sale by owners, though. A lot of trucks over there. A lot of cars. Look at all these cars. A lot of trucks back here on the right. Vans, look at all those vans. There wasn't a van to be found last year when I was looking. Nothing on the side of the road for sale. Now you're seeing stuff all over the side of the road for sale. We get down here at 285, we may go ahead and upload this one. Look at those trucks for sale. For sale. Toyotas. Vans. Coming up on Jimmy Carter Boulevard, Georgia Highway 140, west to the right, east to the left, and one of my subscribers let me know, because I didn't know. 140 ends up at 85 at Jimmy Carter right there. Bunch of trucks over there to the left. That van, nah, it's not for sale. Stuff here on the left. Trucks, SUVs, buy here, pay here. Yeah, I know you will. All these vans and trucks. Look at that. Well, none of that stuff around last year. I came through here last year looking. I'm sure a lot of people aren't affected by the economy. You can tell that by the groceries they're buying when you walk in these grocery stores. But there are a lot of people that are barely surviving now. There's a bunch of vans down there. A lot of people were working last year that aren't working this year. They start giving you these unemployment rates. A lot of people aren't on the employment rolls to start with, so they don't even show up on unemployment rates. But they don't tell you that. Take the people that are no longer in the job force, that have dropped out of the job workforce because they couldn't find a job, and now they're not counted on as unemployed, this unemployment rate would be a lot higher. But the government doesn't, they don't want you to know that. They keep reporting this stuff as being good when it's not. Our government has gotten like a third world country government now. A little tyrant dictator. Yeah, they gave out so much money last year that now a lot of these people are still living on that. They're not going to work. They're not on the unemployment rolls. They're not going to work. Look there, there's a van. It's a nice van. I'd like to. If it wasn't at a car lot, I'd like to stop and talk about that one. Used to be a Dairy Queen right there on the left. We used to come through here all the time on the way over to Dunwoody. All of those cars, look at that. Now I'm recording with the S22 Ultra right now. That way we upload from the phone. That's why I'm not panning, and that's why I'm not using the GoPro or the Osmo. Now that van is 2700. Okay, let's turn around and go look at that one. There. Go check out that 2700. Now let's turn it off till we get back there. Now this one could possibly be a backup, but more likely a parts van for me. Okay, was it before or after this? Right in the middle of it. Bunch of spare parts on that one. A little rough. A little bit rough, isn't it? Let's check it out. Well, I don't know, folks. I don't much think we're going to be interested in this one. This is an old air conditioning van in Huron. Looked like they worked it pretty hard. It's a 3500, but I'm sure it's got this 5.7, or it may have a, I don't know if they may have a 6.0 in it. I don't know. I don't much think we're in, not at 27. I don't think, I wouldn't give them about $700-800 for it, and they're not going to come down that low. That's even if it runs. Big difference in the way it looks and the way mine looks, isn't it? And mine's looking good now. We settle in for the day. I'll probably call on that one, just see what they'll, well, I know what they're wanting for it, 2700. There's an awful lot of stuff on that thing I could use. The 3500, it's got to be the same transmission, this L480E. If it's a good transmission and a good engine, but I got, you know, those air conditioning, the crews, they don't take care of these things. These people that just drive these vans around, especially the work crews. I suspect that thing is probably had been rode hard, put up wet more than once. Probably hadn't been serviced worth a flip either. But like I say, there's doors, there's window glass, there's all kind of stuff in there we could use. We'll call and check on it. They'll take $700-800 for it. We'll run back over here and check it out. All these trucks, here they are. Trucks, Jeeps, cars, vans. Look at them. There were nowhere to look at it. About 10 vans back in there. Nowhere to be found last year. We're going to go ahead and fix this one and start it uploading as well. The other one's uploaded. I've got to write the description in, so we'll have to pull over here somewhere and do some work on these videos, and then get back on I-285 if it's not blocked up. We'll wake up my assistant, let her give us directions. We could end up going across, I can't ever remember the name of that road, but it runs parallel to 285, inside 285, hit Roswell Road and go across Mount Perrin, and then catch 75 and go out if 285's messed up. Or we could from here, we could go through Dunwoody. But we'll figure it out. But right now we're going to wrap this up and pull over up here in the parking lot and get this video uploading.